got artificial grass under a tree, blowers don't work, rakes don't work, I don't know what does work. So I tested a powered turf broom to see if I could actually pull this stuff out. Before I even talk about how this works, I want to explain why I chose this particular one, because that's the bit that took the longest. I looked at a few powered turf brooms. On paper, a lot of them looked very similar, but what it came down to for me wasn't just the machine. I really wanted to buy from an Australian company. Delivery times, support, and just knowing help is local matters to me. Some of the options I looked at had delivery costs that were honestly ridiculous. That was a real deal breaker for me. But what made me feel comfortable with this one was the reassurance I got before it even arrived. I got a lovely message from Paul in sales at My Tesla Accessories explaining how the machine performs on artificial turf like mine. That gave me confidence and that I wasn't just guessing. One thing to note, like most of these powered turf brooms, it doesn't get right into the edges. Along the borders and tight sides, I still had some debris sitting there. I just used a simple carpet rake to pull that out, quick and easy, then ran the sweeper over it again. This tree is not going anywhere, but at least now the mess is manageable. Hey, if you like this video, would love a thumbs up and would love to hear how you do your artificial grass. And if you think this is a great idea, I certainly do. Until then, keep shining.